Hello everyone, welcome to a Tech Guy Hub. So if you're an MTN user and you are thinking of, knowing the data that you've bought within a particular month, so if you want to know your bundle history, then this particular video is for you. But so with this video, you'll be able to know the bundle that you've purchased within 30 days. So the days is from 1 to 30 days. You can't get more than 30 days. So first of all, open your dialer and dial star 1333 hash. Select one, option one, that's the access service. One, access services. You enter in your current PIN. If you haven't, used this service before, it's either you set a new PIN for yourself. Yeah, but I've already used this service before, so there's no need for me to set a new PIN. So you realize in here there are a list of options in here. We have the discount number, reconnect, but we are interested in 6, itemized request. So select 6, select option 6. Yeah, and you realize in here we have voice itemized bill, but we are interested in the data bundle purchase history. So select option 3. So kindly enter in the email you would like to receive the bundle history. So it will come in a form of PDF. So enter in the email that you want to receive it from. Then enter the email again. So you have to enter the start date that you want the history to start from. So maybe if you want the history to start from maybe 1st January 2025, so 1st January, that's 01, then space, then the month, then space, then the year. So as you can see in here, then the end, you enter in the ending date. So it must be a maximum of 30 days. So let me select 30th January 2025. Yeah, and select one, confirm. Select one to confirm. Yes, realizing here, dear customer, your data bundle purchase bill will be processed and shared between now or an hour. Thank you and stay safe. So that's how simple and easy it is to check your data bundle purchase history. Yeah, so if you want to know maybe the amount of data you've been using monthly, then there's a way to go. So within an hour, you receive your email with a PDF, so you can open it and check and see the amount of data that you've been using within that particular date. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, give a sweet comment, and see you in the next video.